If you've ever found a Canva font which doesn't have the bold option, then let me share with you a quick Canva hack that you can use. So I have this font just here. If we click on here and check up the top, we can see there's no option to actually bold this, but there is a little workaround, and we're going to use effects. So if we click on there, we want to use this outline option. Then we want to match up this outline to the color of the font. Now for this example, the font color is white, so we're going to change this to white, just like that. And now we can play around with the thickness to make this font bold. Now if it doesn't quite look right like this, we can see it's two joined just here. We can then come up to spacing, then click on letter spacing and adjust the font like this. Then let's just make that a little bit like that as well, and let's just make this smaller and move this in, and there we go. So now you can see that you can actually bold any font that you want that even doesn't have the bold option. So that's a quick Canva hack that I wanted to share with you. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.